Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Flow Podcast Official, where you learn to speak English naturally, confidently, and calmly.
Hi, everyone. Today we're talking about something simple but powerful.
Yes, a topic that many learners think is boring: weather.
But here's the truth. Weather is one of the most powerful conversation starters in English.
If you don't know what to say, weather can save you.
In English-speaking countries, especially the UK, weather is small talk gold.
You can start a conversation with, "Nice day, isn't it? Crazy weather today. Looks like it might rain." And suddenly, you're talking.
You don't need deep topics. You need safe topics. Weather is safe.
All right, let's start with the basics. When we talk about weather, the first thing people usually describe is temperature.
Yes, and the good news is you only need a few simple words.
Let's start from warmest to coldest. The first word is hot.
Hot means very warm, sometimes too warm. For example, it's really hot today.
When something is hot, you might feel uncomfortable. You might sweat. You might want air conditioning.
Now let's compare that with warm. Warm is different. Warm feels pleasant, comfortable.
For example, it's warm and sunny today. That sounds nice, right?
Yes, warm usually feels positive. Hot can feel uncomfortable.
Next word, cool. Cool means slightly cold.
For example, it's cool this evening. Cool often feels refreshing.
Then we have cold. Cold means low temperature.
Example, it's cold outside. I need a jacket.
And finally, freezing. Freezing means extremely cold.
You might say, I'm freezing. Even if it's not literally 0 degrees, it just means very, very cold.
Now let's talk about what's happening in the sky. The first and easiest word is sunny.
Sunny means the sun is visible. The sky is bright. Example, it's sunny today.
Next word, cloudy. Cloudy means the sky is covered with clouds.
You can say it's cloudy today. Cloudy days can feel calm or a little gloomy.
Now let's talk about rain. You can say it's raining or simply it's rainy.
If the rain is very heavy, you can say it's pouring or it's pouring rain.
There's also a funny expression. It's raining cats and dogs.
Yes, but don't worry, no animals are falling from the sky. It just means heavy rain.
If snow is falling, you say it's snowing. And if there's a lot of snow on the ground, you can say it's snowy.
Now wind. If there's strong wind, you say it's windy. Example, it's really windy today. My umbrella almost flew away.
Windy days can feel cold even if the temperature isn't low.
Sometimes the weather changes quickly. Sunny in the morning, rainy in the afternoon.
You can say the weather is unpredictable. Unpredictable means you can't guess what will happen next.
Let's practice quickly. If it's very, very cold, what do you say?
I'm freezing. If the sun is shining.
It's sunny.
If there are many clouds.
It's cloudy.
If rain is very heavy.
It's pouring.
Perfect.
You see, you don't need complicated words to talk about weather.
Just a few simple words: hot, warm, cool, cold, freezing.
Sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, snowy.
Keep your sentences short, speak slowly, add a small feeling if you want, and that's enough.
Now, here's where we upgrade. Knowing vocabulary is step 1. Using it naturally is step 2.
Technique 1. Observation plus feeling. Instead of just, "It's raining," say, "It's raining. I almost didn't leave the house." Now you've added emotion.
Technique 2, observation plus question. It's so hot today. How are you handling it?
Technique 3, weather plus plan. It's supposed to rain later. Do you still want to go out? Weather connects to real life.
Weather affects mood. Rain can feel cozy or depressing. Sun can feel energizing or exhausting.
This gives you deeper conversation. Example, I actually love rainy days. They make me feel calm. That opens personality discussion.
Let's level up. Now we will talk about weather expressions.
Under the weather means feeling sick.
For example, I'm feeling under the weather.
Every cloud has a silver lining, means good in a bad situation.
Come rain or shine means no matter what.
Break the ice means start conversation.
Use these naturally. Don't force them.
Now let's practice a scenario.
Scenario: meeting a friend at a cafe.
Hey, sorry I'm late.
No worries. Wow, this rain is crazy today.
I know, I got completely soaked on my way here.
Same here. I thought it would stop, but it just kept pouring.
Did you bring an umbrella?
I did, but the wind was so strong it almost broke.
That's the worst. Rain plus wind is a disaster.
Seriously, I almost stayed home.
You see? Weather is not boring.
It's a bridge. It connects people.
You don't need big vocabulary.
Just observe, react, add one sentence.
Weather is not boring. It's a conversation tool.
If you struggle with starting conversations in English, start with the weather.
Keep it simple. Add a feeling. Ask a question. That's enough.
Thank you for listening to English Flow Podcast Official.
Tell us in the comments, what's the weather like where you are today?
Learn, listen, speak, flow in English.
See you in the next episode.